Ever wondered if you're using the right tool for your photo editing, especially when juggling hundreds or even thousands of images? Lightroom is specifically designed for photographers who need to manage massive volumes of images. Think of it as a superpowered digital darkroom and librarian combined. A key strength of Lightroom is its non-destructive editing. You can adjust exposure, color, and tone to your heart's content, and your original file remains untouched. Why? You're a huge safety net for your valuable images. For photographers, time is money. Lightroom truly shines with its unmatched cataloging capabilities and powerful batch processing. Imagine applying the same adjustments, keywords, or watermarks to hundreds of photos at once, saving you hours of tedious work. Its intuitive interface is built for a photography workflow, while Photoshop excels at granular, pixel-level manipulation and compositing. Lightroom streamlines the entire process from import to export for standard photo enhancements. So, if your workflow primarily involves organizing, enhancing, and exporting large batches of photographs, Lightroom will be your absolute best friend. Ultimately, the choice between Lightroom and Photoshop boils down to your specific needs. Understanding their distinct strengths ensures you're always using the right tool for the job. Choose wisely, and happy editing.